YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Did upgrade the audio though. Did have to do that for y'all. I've been working really hard on this audio, guys. So if the sound is coming in a little more clear in this video, please let me know. I did sit down with an engineer today, and from all the tests that we did, everything just sounded amazing. So really excited to see how this video turns out. But yeah, definitely let me know in the comments if you guys are enjoying the audio and it makes the video easier to watch. But let's talk about Bitcoin, right? Because I've been talking about Bitcoin really a lot on one, on my channel, and two, on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram yet, you can do that at JTalksCrypto. I talk about a lot more meme coins on there just because in times like right now, I like to talk about Bitcoin because I just feel like this is what needs to be talked about right now. Not much is going to be going on in the market if Bitcoin is not healthy. So, and that's kind of what we talked about actually on my channel, on my IG just yesterday, right? We watched this price bump happen. I was up really late last night. I was up till like midnight last night watching Bitcoin price action because I was thinking like, oh, okay, wow, maybe we're going to break out of the 60K range. We did have a rejection. Hold on. So we had a rejection. Gotta close the RSI. Hold on. Okay, so we had a rejection. I'll actually just close out the Kelner channels, and then I'm gonna put moving average. I want to show you guys our moving average, and this is a chart that I don't really use a lot in trading. I don't really use the moving average so much, but I feel like the moving average is very telling right now. As you guys could see, right? Each one of these lines represent a moving average, right? So the yellow line, this lower yellow line, this one right here, this represents our 20-day moving average. Then you have the little more orangish looking one, this one right here. This one is our 50-day moving average. Our 100-day moving average would be this one right here that we're staying under right now. And then our 200-day moving average is this red line up here, up at 61,000. This is on 3-hour chart. And this is what I feel like is the most telling. This is what I felt like was the most telling last night. And I felt like this is still the most telling right now. But look, guys, this is what basically what happened. So yesterday, as you could see, it looks like, you know, when I was looking at that line graph, it looks like we didn't really test our 100-day, or no, it's our 200-day moving average. 100-day moving average. Sorry, it looks like we didn't touch our 100-day moving average, but we did, right? If you look at if you pull up the candle chart, we actually did. We rejected off of it, and now we're trending back closer towards our 50-day moving average. So our 50-day moving average is at like 57.39. So we're slowly kind of moving towards there. At the time of the video, we're at 57,635. We want to see this bounce. We need to bounce off of our 50-day right here. Let me get rid of this now. I want to pull back up. Let's look at our Kelner channels. Okay, and the Kelner channel is going to pretty much be telling you the same thing, right? Now it looks like this middle line is actually probably going to be our pretty close to our moving average, our 50-day moving average. And then again, this top line right here, the one that we rejected off of, this blue line, is going to be our 100-day moving average. So that's kind of what's going on with Bitcoin right now. But yeah, as far as us staying in an uptrend, we are kind of still in an uptrend on the 3-hour. But man, if you go down to these smaller intervals, I'm very concerned. We need Bitcoin to stay trending up. And as you guys can see, this might have been a wedge right here, and it might have just broken down, as you can see, just under this second Kelner channel line. And now we're trending in this bottom Kelner channel, right? We talk about it's good when you're in the top Kelner channel, right? When you get in, we kiss in the Kelner channel, you jump in, you make some good gains, you know. But what happens when we start trending under the Kelner channel? What can we see happen there, right? We've seen this happen right here, right? Start trending up against the Kelner channel, great gains, and then look, breakdown. What happened? So just be careful for that, because that's possibly what could happen, right? We have been talking about on this channel that we could be seeing a possible head and shoulders. And just yesterday too, I dropped a video saying, man, maybe this is a possible recovery, and somebody was like, no, we need to drop down some more. And I was like, You know, I said that too. I don't doubt that either. So again, look, this is the bear play right here, shoulder, head, shoulder. That would be an indicator of us going down. But again, will we go down? I don't really know. Look at this RSI too, right? How many times when we're in this middle area do we pump up towards the up position, and how many times do we break down, right? We saw it break down here. Look, but we saw it break down here. Yeah, because we're already above it, and then we start dropping below it, and then we ride it. But once we hit it, we usually break down, right? So we jump up above it, we ride it, and then we break down. And trend's our friend, guys. I don't know, but again, it's highly manipulated. Did talk about the fact that big price action doesn't generally happen early in the week. It doesn't happen on a Monday or Tuesday. Big price action usually happens on a Thursday. And I know that, man. I know that. And I still was thinking like, maybe this is going to be our breakout. I was saying that last night. Maybe this is our breakout. Knowing it's a Tuesday night, knowing that these guys love doing this to us on a Monday and a Tuesday. But again, man, also looking for like some kind of Wyckoff accumulation playing out here. I shared a couple of those charts of what that would look like if we were in like an accumulation zone, which again, I said we already were. I've been saying that we're in an accumulation zone. I think if you bought Bitcoin at 54K, that was a great buy. I think if it drops down to 52K and you buy it, I still think it's a great buy. I think the 54K buy would have still been a great buy at 52. In my opinion, it's just an amazing time to be in Bitcoin. It's just an amazing time to be accumulating Bitcoin. And it's a great time to really be stacking your bread, dude. Getting some new money, not just staring at your money in the market, but go get some new money and put some new money in the market, guys. Because in my opinion, again, not financial advice. I'm not telling you to go invest in Bitcoin. I'm just saying like focus on putting more money in the market because this is the time to be accumulating is now, right? We've been waiting for this price dump. If you've been on this channel, we've been waiting on this since March. You know, I talked about the fact that I was already stablecoined up since March. Also want to show you guys something else too. Pretty crazy. That indicator that we're pretty close to the bottom. Talk about this chart a lot too. Our fear greed index. Let's look at it, right? All right. So fear greed index, right? Look at this. Orange has been historically the best time to buy. This was back in 2023. Our fear was so low, man. We were at a 3640 here, 3640 fear level. And I was really talking about on the channel the fact that like this, we're too greedy. Like at the peak of our greed back in March, we were at a 90, and then we were slipping into this green, and people were thinking like, oh, okay, maybe we have some kind of a bottom here. I'm like, this is not how the bottom feels. Then we were in the yellow, and people were still having some hope, and I said, this is also not how the bottom feels. And then we broke down under that 58K, and then I said, okay, the market is starting to feel some pain. There's more people talking about we're going down and going up, and this is how the bottom feels. The bottom feels like this now. It's less people that are so bullish. It's more people that are like, So again, I don't think Bitcoin's going to go to zero. I don't think Bitcoin's going to have a retest of 12K. I don't think it's going down to 16K. I'm hoping we can hold some kind of support. Look, somebody said the same thing. Close below the lower Bollinger Band on the weekly. Look, he's looking at the Kelner Channel. He's looking at the same thing, guys. That's what I'm saying, guys. Once you learn how to read these charts, you're really going to be off to the races, and you're not going to have to worry. I mean, you'll come back to my channel just to make sure you're doing it right because, you know, your boy has been doing this for quite a long time. But again, guys, we're all pretty much paying attention to the same indicators here. This guy, again, 23 hours ago, posting the same thing. This is a sell signal, he said. This is a sell signal. This is a sell signal. Okay. Well, shoot, guys. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that Bitcoin is going to go up? Do you guys think that Bitcoin is going to go down? Also, guys, how is my audio in this video? Please let me know, guys, because I've been trying to fix this for so long. I'm going to try to give you guys some more videos. Also, talk about some of the coins that I am looking at this week. So, things that I'm looking to accumulate. If you guys are interested in that, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. Also, probably go live today now that I got the bike set up, right? Let's go. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.